guys, just to my point, that's our car right there. Let's continue our walk up. This is Morgan's. Oh, we're going, bitch. Alright, so just to my point, I'm not messing with you guys. That's our car. Only us two and the dog. And that was our first experience in Morgan's dog. Look at that. Just us. Here it is. Morgan Ops Trail.
Just did it again.
I know, I heard it.
Try it again.
So, I also just want to point out that we should be the only ones out here because there's no one else parked over here. And this trail is very small. Fun fact, Finding Bigfoot, the show.
That's a woodpecker.
I almost just fucking shat myself. Anyways, Finding Bigfoot, the show that was actually filmed out here. That and Monster Quest, something like that. But yeah, I just wanted to point out, we're just messing around. I was messing around, making noises and stuff, but yeah, it was I don't know if that was a person, but I doubt it. There's no one out here besides us, so wish us luck. We have more spots to go see. See you guys there.